Today we are back with another experiment. Our ingredients are frozen oil, liquid oil, popcorn seeds, red beans, vinegar, food coloring, banana essence, tall bottles, and glasses, salt, and you have some little extra things, 2 mixing bowls. So we're going to start off by taking a scoop of frozen oil and putting it in one of the mixing bowls. Now we are going to take the salt. Made it melt. Gonna get vinegar. Oh, it made like an oil effect. It made like the effects that the oil makes, where you could actually feel the bubbles. Putting some oil liquid. Okay, some bimbo. And in this mixing bowl, just gonna put the ice cube because it's way too big. Ew. So now we're gonna start mixing some food colorings in here. Orange and brown, some black food coloring. Oh, black and the brown are the same color. Some red food coloring. Have a little bit of orange on me. Some yellow food coloring. And some base croissant coloring. So now time to grab the fork, start to mix these colors with a little bit of oil.
Can you tell me why you're mixing the stuff together?
Because I'm doing it, it's an experiment. So I'm for my mom's school, and I'm hoping that she could get an A+ in the class. And if she doesn't, she gets it close to B and stuff, I'll still be happy for her because she's my mom and she cheers me on.
So can you tell me what are you trying to do? Can you put it in a little closer so I could see what you're doing?
These are the mixed food colorings.
Okay.
With the oil and the other stuff.
Okay.
And as you can see,
I wonder what will happen if we put this in there.
Oh, I might do that after.
Okay.
But after when I mix it in with this, some bubbles start to develop.
So what do you observe happening?
What I observe is happening right now is that the oil is mixing well, and every time the oil wipes off and I put it back in the butter, the oil starts.
The essence thickens again. You know why the essence thickens? Because they're made of different components. One's a liquid and one's an oily liquid, so they stay together.
Oh.
Yes, so that is why.
I'm trying to put a little bit of frozen butter, and we have some cold water.
How do you know it's cold?
Because
Did you put your hand inside of it?
No, I fell outside and this one's hot.
So tell me what will happen if you pour them in there?
It starts to get different color mixtures.
Okay. Do you realize that the oil is staying down?
Yes.
And the beans are also staying down?
Yes, because they're really heavy.
Okay, it's called the atom density. Whatever is heavier will float.
Whatever's heavier will float.
Yes, it's density. If it's heavier, it will sink. So the beans are more dense than the other materials in there, and the popcorn seeds.
Now it's time for me to pour a little bit of this liquid into here. And
Whoa, watch that effect. I wonder what's happening.
the bubbles of water, the bubbles of oil bring up the food colorings. And
Okay.
now we're going to see what happens. And this already has some of the oil. Whoa!
Ooh, the effect is a little different. Wow.
Because of the different temperatures. Let's see what happens. Nope.
Can we count the bubbles?
I don't think so. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Well, I think I'm guessing like 100 and something.
100 and something. Okay.
So, what we're going to do now with these two, we are going to take some ice cubes, our mixture here that's not well mixed yet. I'm going to wipe it, some of the liquid on the ice cubes.
Is there a reason for that?
Yes, I want to see what happens if we take some of this and pour it in the cup.
How many ice cubes do you need?
I only need 2 because there's 2 cups.
Okay.
And now I'm going to start to do an experiment
Can
with
we use a
this one.
spoon for that? Do you know how many scoops of spoons you need, or?
I don't know. I'm just doing, I'm just putting some food colorings, 1 drop of each food coloring in this, because I don't know what's going to happen. I honestly don't know what's going to happen. Okay, put some brown.
Can you tell me what you're doing now?
I am mixing the food colorings in a group, so I don't want anything to like spread. And keep in mind that we're using, well, some disgusting things.
What are
But-
disgusting? What do you mean disgusting? It's a science experiment. What about it that's disgusting? Why you say it's disgusting?
Because this kind of looks like mixed up and polluted grease.
Okay, so that's why it's disgusting?
No, and you could see here that there's pink in the background, and pink and black do not go together.
Okay.
Okay, time to get this. Starting to mix up the food coloring.
So, Diva, what do you notice about the oil that was there?
The oil got into smaller bits.
It's got into smaller particles because the temperature changed. When things change places,
Yeah.
because it was in the freezer, it came out into the open temperature, it
And the
melted.
lights on is that is
And the light have an effect on it as well.
Oopsie. That was way.
The salt sunk again. So what is happening again?
The salt is chunky at the bottom.
Yes.
Also having an effect. So
Remember what I told you about density? If it sinks, it has more density. So the salt has density as well.
And now you can see the banana essence made some 3 bubbles like a snowman.
3
It's
bubbles like
snowman.
a snowman. Nice connection. Let me see that.
Yep, it's a really snowman.
Okay, thank you.
And now what we're also going to do we have the cap of both of these jars, but we can't find the other one. So we have the cap of this one. I just want to see what happens if we shake this.
I'm going to shake it.
So it gave it a kind of like oily effect. I want to see what happens if you put some more salt in it. Then the salt was slowly sinking to the bottom. Now some bubbles are developing. So now I want to see what happens if we shake this one. Just put some more oil. Oopsie. And now as you could see, it's making something, and I want to see if we can make these lighter. I'm going to put some drops of yellow. Yeah, it's making it a little bit lighter. Some drops of yellow in here.
So what did you learn about your experiment?
I learned about my experiment that if you mix up certain liquids, it either could cause an explosion or it could change colors.
Okay. And don't forget, things that float to the bottom, they have more density than other objects. Thank you.
Okay.